AI agents in the enterprise. I mean, it kind of sounds like something straight out of like a sci-fi movie, like robots running companies.
Yeah.
But in reality, we're talking about AI programs that can handle all sorts of complex tasks for businesses.
Mm-hmm.
So today, we're going to deep dive into how companies are adopting this tech and what it all means for us.
Right.
Our sources for this deep dive give us some really interesting insights.
Yeah.
And one article in particular called Texto Pagado highlights new tools from a company I think you probably heard of.
I probably have.
NVIDIA.
Oh, yeah. NVIDIA, for sure. Big in the AI world.
Yeah. So NVIDIA, they're releasing new features for their Nemo guardrails platform, which is a pretty clear sign.
It is a sign
that the industry is listening to what businesses are concerned about when it comes to AI agents.
Yeah, absolutely. Businesses want to know that they're adopting AI that's safe and that, not going to go off the rails and do something crazy.
Right, exactly. But before we get into those concerns, maybe we should take a step back. What exactly is an AI agent? I mean, think of it this way. You know those customer service chatbots you see on websites? That's like a very basic form of an AI agent.
Right.
But imagine that chatbot, like way more powerful, way more intelligent, able to analyze data, make decisions, even take actions based on its programming.
Yeah, they can do some pretty amazing things.
So you can see why companies are excited.
Oh, yeah.
About the possibilities. I mean, from automating tasks to providing personalized experiences, it's a potential game changer.
Huge potential.
But of course, there are risks.
There are.
Which is where NVIDIA's new tools come in, right?
Right. So NVIDIA's released 3 new microservices
Okay.
to make AI agents safer and more controllable.
Okay.
Think of them as like mini programs, and they focus on content safety, topic control, and jailbreak prevention.
Okay, so let's break those down. Content safety.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
It is a big one.
Imagine an AI agent representing your company online starts posting offensive content.
Oh, that would be bad.
That's a PR nightmare.
Huge nightmare.
So NVIDIA's content safety microservice uses these advanced algorithms to scan the AI agent's output.
Right.
It filters things out, makes sure that it stays, within the bounds of what's acceptable.
Keep it clean.
Exactly. Keeps it clean. And that way it protects your brand's reputation.
Right. Sure.
You can sleep a little easier knowing your AI assistant isn't going to tweet something disastrous.
Exactly.
All right. So what about topic control?
So topic control, that's all about keeping the conversation focused on what it's supposed to be focused on.
Okay.
It's like setting boundaries for your AI, making sure it sticks to its designated role.
Okay.
And it doesn't go off on tangents.
Right.
And this is really useful when you're thinking about those customer-facing situations where you want to make sure that the AI is giving consistent and relevant interactions.
Makes sense.
You wouldn't want an AI that's supposed to be scheduling meetings to suddenly start offering financial advice, would you?
Definitely not.
No. So that's where topic control comes in.
Okay. And then there's this jailbreak prevention thing.
Yeah. So jailbreak prevention, which sounds a little scary.
It sounds like something out of, a movie or something, but really it's about stopping hackers from taking over the AI and exploiting its vulnerabilities.
Okay. So it's like security.
It is. It's like locking down the system.
Yeah.
So people can't get in and manipulate it.
Got it. So they do that by restricting certain commands, things like that.
Exactly. Restrict certain commands, isolate the AI's operations, kind of like a digital sandbox.
Right.
You're making sure that your AI agent is operating in a safe and controlled space.
It can't be manipulated.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense. So these safety features they're crucial.
They are.
Because like we were saying, there's huge potential for AI agents.
Huge. And to give you an idea, Mark Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, predicts we're going to see over 1 billion AI agents deployed within a year.
Wow, that's a lot. That is a lot. But, our other sources paint a slightly different picture.
Okay.
Deloitte, for example, they predict about 25% of businesses will be using AI agents by 2025.
Okay.
And that will jump to about half by 2027.
So a bit slower rollout.
A bit slower. I think that's more realistic.
Yeah, it makes sense. AI agents offer all these benefits, but
it's new.
It's new.
It's going to take some time for businesses to adapt.
Right. Implementing new technology always does. There's the cost, integration with existing systems.
Yeah.
And then just the learning curve.
Yeah, there's a lot to learn.
Figuring out how to train these AI agents.
Yeah, how to manage them, how to make sure they're working properly.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
And so I guess that's where NVIDIA's NeMo guardrails is trying to step in.
I think so.
Address the security concerns so that companies feel more comfortable.
Yeah, exactly. It's like they're saying, hey, we hear your concerns about safety and security, and we've built these tools to address them.
So that you can use AI agents.
Right, so you can feel more confident.
And not worry so much about, the risks.
Exactly.
So if these safety measures work.
I mean, the possibilities are really exciting.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine AI agents that can work with human teams, like seamlessly, handling more complex tasks and really boosting productivity and innovation.
So less of a, robots taking over the world.
Much less. It's more about finding that balance between human oversight and AI autonomy.
Right. So as we're thinking about all this, I think it leaves us with a question.
Definitely. A question for all our listeners.
Yeah. What could AI agents do in your industry?
Yeah. How could they change the way you work?
If they become truly reliable and secure.
It's something to think about.
Yeah. Food for thought.
It is. It's an exciting time.
It is exciting.
Yeah.
We'll have to see what happens.
We will.
As this technology develops,
we'll
keep you posted.
That's for sure.
But for now, that's our deep dive.
That's it for today.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.